Hello, in this video presentation I'm going to show you how to make a first project with a Lego Spike and a text-based programming language like Python. If you have never used Python before, this activity will help you to be familiar with it. Download the Lego Spike for your Mac or for your Windows 10. I'm going to open the Spike software. Here, double click, and then you will see Spike Essential and Spike Prime. Click here on Spike Prime, and then let's go to Home. Then you will see the symbol for the new project. Click, next Python, then Create. So this is the Python environment. There is a default language for the happy symbol, but let's connect the computer to the hub. So I'm going to use Bluetooth. So I'm going to turn it on. And click here to activate the Bluetooth. So now it's looking for my hub, which is Isabel. Let's connect. So now click on the X. Let's go to Line Matrix. Under Actions, click on Show Image, then scroll down, and we see another command here, happy and asleep. Let's make our hub asleep. Hit right here on the tiny copy, highlight everything, delete, and then paste. Now click the yellow arrow again to run the program. This time happy and asleep. Now our hub is happy. And now it's sleeping. We can practice with other commands. Let's go to, again, Line Matrix. Actions. Now let's use write so the hub can say hello to everyone. Scroll down here, copy. So now let's highlight everything, delete, and paste. And then let's go and click the yellow arrow again to run the program. So the hub can say hello. Practice this and other symbols in Python. Later we're going to jump into more stuff for color and distance sensors. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.